2018, just started the washing machine project. I was invited by a friend to go to Iraq. We had no clue what we were doing. We ordered 2 drums, cut them up, put them in duct tape, sellotape them, put our clothes in, wrapped it up in plastic, went to Iraq. And then we tested the machine, our first ever Divya washing machine, with 79 Yazidi families over 5 days in 5 refugee camps, and it was amazing. That's when Oxfam reached out and said they wanted to fund 50 more machines. And that's the story of how we started our machines in Iraq.